Welcome to my Christmas playlist. This video is all about a day in my life on Christmas Eve. In this video, we learn phrases for Christmas Eve activities and time expressions to talk about parts of the day. Are you ready? Let's go. So in the morning on Christmas Eve, I do some last-minute shopping. The shops are usually busy. Then I go to a cafe and have a coffee. There are different hot drinks at Christmas time, and I like the gingerbread latte. It's delicious. After that, I go home and wrap my presents. Then I put them under the tree. In the afternoon, I go to church. There's a special church service on Christmas Eve that we always go to. We sing Christmas carols. My favourite Christmas carol is Silent Night. After church, my family and I go home, and in the evening, we eat mince pies. Mince pies are sweet pastries with raisin, dried orange, and sugar. We drink mulled wine. Mulled wine is a sweet, hot wine. And then we stay home and watch TV. In December, it gets dark early in the UK and it's cold, so it's cosy and warm in the living room, especially with the Christmas tree and all the candles. And that's it. That's my Christmas Eve. Let's take a look again. Listen and repeat the phrases. Do some last-minute shopping. Last minute means at the last possible moment. Go to a cafe and have a coffee. Wrap presents. Put them under the tree. I say put them under the tree so I don't repeat the presents. Go to church. Sing carols or sing Christmas carols. Eat mince pies. Drink mulled wine. Stay home and watch TV. Great, that's my Christmas Eve. Can you remember when I do everything? Let's take a look at some time expressions to talk about when we do things during the day. What do I do in the morning? In the morning, I do some last-minute shopping. What do I do in the afternoon? In the afternoon, I wrap presents. What do I do in the evening? In the evening, I drink mulled wine. We can use in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening to talk about parts of the day. But watch out, we use at night, not in the night. And that's it. That's my Christmas day. I hope you enjoyed learning about my Christmas Eve with me. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.